Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play Steam Windows games on MacBook. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So the only option, and basically the best option, would be to use a streaming service like GeForce Now. So you want to go to your browser, go ahead to nvidia.com and find GeForce Now and download it for MacBook. And also go to Steam and install Steam on your MacBook. Now, after that, you want to open up GeForce Now and Steam also. Now, once you have signed in to GeForce Now and to Steam also, you want to go to GeForce Now on the menu bar in the top left corner, click on Settings. And on Settings, you will see here Connections in the right side, and you will see Steam. So you want to click Connect, and then it should connect your account and your browser will open up. And you will need to click on the browser Connect, earncoins.gg. So it's this one. And then you will see that is already connected. And now you can go ahead to the games here and see what games you have here. You can also go to the bottom and then click all games and then filter it to the digital stores and click on Steam, and it will only show Steam games. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.